In this video, I'm going to share with you how you share a Google slide in present mode. So what I did is I went ahead and copied the link over here and made it nice and large for you to see. And what you want to do is you want to basically delete all of this text all the way up until the word edit. So go ahead and delete that and replace it with the word present. Okay? And then you want to go up here and you want to make sure that you delete the text all the way up until the word edit and write present. And before you do anything, you want to go to the share button. And there are two options when you're sharing. It's anyone, you can change it to anyone with this link, and you can change it to restricted. So I'm going to put it to anyone with this link. And there are three options. You can put it on viewer, commenter, or editor. So I'm going to put it on viewer and select done. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this link up here. And I'm going to go to new tab. I'm going to push paste. And this is what the present mode looks like when you are sharing it with somebody else. Okay. And then the original document, I'm going to push the refresh button. Let's say I want to share this Google slide in its original format. Then I just push copy, and then I'm going to push paste. And there you have it.